Hello students, welcome back once again in English grammar class, and this is the second video of notice writing. In my previous video, I have discussed what is a notice, that it is a formal means of communication whose purpose is to announce or display any piece of information to a specific group of people. Then I have also discussed some of the important W's which you need to include in your notice writing. So today we are going to start from the format of notice writing, how to write a notice. Before knowing how to write a notice, here are some more important tips which you need to note while writing a notice. First of all, the body of the notice must be in a passive voice. Secondly, it must be presented within a box. The word limit of a notice writing is not more than 50 words. Only words of body are counted. Then information must be given, it must be very clear and crystal. Then it should not cause any misunderstanding or confusion to the reader. Then the headlines or the headings must be catchy, it must be appealing, it attracts attention at once. Then the heading must be written in bold letters, catchy slogans or striking words or phrases. There will be no use of any personal pronouns. And last, short but grammatically accurate sentences must be used in writing a notice or body of the notice writing. Now here are the marks distribution or the marking scheme of notice writing. So basically notice writing comes in either 5 marks or 6 marks. Now let's have a look how the marks of the notice writing is distributed. For the name of the organization, notice, the heading and the date, 1 mark is allotted. Then for the name and designation, half marks is allotted. Placing the notice within a box, it also gets half marks. Then for content and language, you will get 2 marks. If you exceed word limit by 2 or 3 words, half marks will be deducted. And if you exceed more than 4 words, then 1 marks will be deducted from the total marking scheme. So this is the marking scheme of writing a notice. Now, here is one question, a sample question of notice writing. On the occasion of National Science and Technology Day, the Delhi Public School, New Delhi, has decided to organize a science fair. Vikram, the Secretary of Science Society, wants to call a meeting of the office bearers of the society to discuss the arrangements for the fair. A notice is not more than 50 words. So now let's have a look how you write a notice. So this is what the content of the notice. First of all, you have to write the name of the institution with its address from where the notice is being issued. So Delhi Public School, New Delhi. And then after that you have to write the heading notice. Then you have to give the date when this notice is issued. So 18th February 2014. I have already discussed it before that a date should be written in a formal way. Heading of a notice, meeting of Science Society. Now let's see how you write the body of the notice. On the occasion of National Science and Technology Day, the school has decided to organize a fair. All school bearers are requested to attend a meeting in the school library at 20th February 2014 at 10 am. Now here you have to keep it in mind, students, that you have to mention clearly why meeting is being organized, where it is going to be held, when it is going to be held and at what time, to discuss the arrangement for the fair. And now you have to give the signature to mention the name of that person who has written this notice. Vikram Singh, Secretary of Science Society. So this is how we write a notice. Now, if you notice, students, there is something missing in this writing. And what is that? Yes, a notice should be kept in a box. So here, as you can see, that I have now added this notice along with its body and the other content of the notice in a box. So now this is a complete notice which you can put on a notice board. Alright, so this is how we write a notice. Now here is another sample of writing a notice. Ram Lakhani is the head boy of Bhavans Vidyalaya, Chandigarh. He and some other students of this school are touched by the plight of the poor and destitute in the state run homes and wish to make a difference in their lives by lessening their suffering. They decide to raise funds for this purpose. Write a notice not exceeding 50 words, making an appeal for generating donations. So, now let's see how you will write a notice on this related topic. So, first of all, you have to mention the name of the institute from where this notice is being issued. So, Bhavan Vidyalaya Chandigarh, then heading notice, and after that, as it is a notice for special attention need to help the poor people, so we have to write some catchy headlines. So, here it is mentioned, attention please, lend a helping hand, and don't forget to mention the date also. Now, how you will start the body of the notice. Your help and cooperation are required to make a difference in the lives of less fortunate living in the state-run homes. Donate generously. Deposit your contribution to the school librarian by 25th February 2014 during short breaks or lunch break in the school library. Now, here these again three important information regarding the donation is given. The money so raised will be spent on medicines and clothes for the inmates. Now, who is writing this notice is the head boy Ram Lakhani, and this is how you have to mention the name along with its designation. So, this is how we write a notice. Hope you have understood the notice writing very well. Now, I have an assignment for you which you will do it by yourself. You try to do it by yourself in your fair copy. As president of a school's council of your school, write a notice is not more than 50 words asking the students of your school to donate old clothes, books and bags for the Anubhav Shiksha Kendra, a school for the underprivileged being run on your school premises. Now, I hope you will definitely write the notice on this topic, and so that's all in this video. I hope you have liked the video, enjoyed the class and understood very well how to write a notice. I will see you soon in the next video with the next topic of English grammar. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you so much.